Hello everyone, welcome back to SlideHunt with C programming video tutorials. SlideHunt provides free video tutorials on programming languages. To subscribe this channel, click on the subscribe button that appear at bottom right corner. Or you can visit my YouTube channel by typing www.youtube.com/SlideHunt. Okay, today in this video I am going to introduce you structures in C programming. So when we create an ordinary variable, we can store only one type of data in that variable. If we use an array, then we can store many data, but they should be of same type. But sometimes we deal with entities that are collection of dissimilar data types. For example, suppose you want to store the data of a book, then you have to create the variable for different attributes of book. Let's say its name, its price, number of pages, etc. So if we combine all these attributes under one name, then it would be easier to us to write the code. For that purpose, we can use a structure. So a structure contains a number of data types grouped together, and these data types may or may not be of the same type. Let's see the syntax of structure in C. First you have to write the keyword struct and then structure name, then a pair of curly braces, and the closing braces must be followed by a semicolon. Within the curly braces, specify the structure element of different data types. If we write a structure for book, then it would be something like this: struct book, and within the curly braces I am going to write char name, int pages, and then float price. Next we see how we can use structure in our program. So let's move to the coding section. Here I am going to declare the structure of a book. First write the keyword struct, then structure name, that is book, then a pair of curly braces and a semicolon after the closing braces. Inside the curly braces I am going to declare the structure members of book. So I am going to write here char name, and the size is 20. Next attribute is pages. I am going to write here int pages, and then float price. Next we learn how to create variable of type structure. To create a structure type variable, first write the keyword struct, then structure name, and then variable name. Let's say b1. It is similar to create an ordinary variable. To create an integer type variable, first write data type, that is int, and then variable name. Here struct book is the data type and b1 is the variable name. Now we assign values to the attributes of the variable b1. Write here assignment operator, and within the curly braces you have to specify the data. First attribute is name, so I am going to write here the name of the book. Second attribute is pages, so I am going to write here 256. Third attribute is price, so I am going to write here the price of the book, 147.50. Next we learn how to retrieve the value that is stored in the structure variable b1. To retrieve the value, first write the variable name, that is b1, then dot operator, and then element name that you want to retrieve. If you retrieve the name element, then write here the name. For pages you have to write here pages, and for price you have to write here price. Okay, here we use a printf statement to print the value of each element. So I am going to write here printf name equal to %s. Since name is a character array or string, that's why we use here %s format specifier. Give here some space, pages equal to %d, and then price equal to %f. Then I am going to refer here b1.name, b1.pages, and then b1.price. Okay, let us check the output. Compile and run. As you can see here, it print name equal to English, pages equal to 256, and price equal to 147.50. The next thing is, here we initialize the value of each element of the variable b1 at the time of declaration. But if you want, you can receive the input from user at runtime. Let's see how to do it. First I am going to delete this initialization. Then I am going to write here printf, enter name, pages and price of the book. We need a scanf function to read the input from user. So I am going to write here scanf %s for name, %d for pages and then %f for price. And here we refer ampersand b1.name, then ampersand b1.pages and then ampersand b1.price. Okay, let us check the output. Compile and run. As you can see here, it asks for name, number of pages and price of the book. First I am going to enter the name of the book, physics, then number of pages I am going to enter 245, then price I am going to enter 123.50, then press enter and it show you name equal to physics, page equal to 245 and price equal to 123.50. This is it. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please comment on the video. Thanks for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel SlideHunt. You can visit my YouTube channel by typing youtube.com/SlideHunt. You can like my Facebook page at facebook.com/SlideHunt and you can follow me on Twitter and Google Plus also.